Hi everyone, this video is about how to draw the figure and using three techniques. So technique number one is using vertical lines. So if we trace from, say, her hip to her head in a vertical line, we could see how far out her hip might be, for example, or her shoulder, or any part of the body. So that helps us to place things. And in the same way, we can use horizontal lines for exactly the same thing. So we might trace from the shoulder to the other shoulder and see how the other shoulder might be higher or lower. Or the foot, we might see how high the foot is in relation to the other foot. And so in the third technique, we've got what we call follow-through lines. So we might trace, for example, her leg and see where it intersects. So we might see that it goes up to the shoulder there, and what part of the shoulder it intersects in. And there's another little bonus that I put in here, and that's drawing the shapes, the spaces. So between her body and her arms there are little triangles, and we might see that what the actual shape of those spaces is, and it helps us to observe. So, bonus technique for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's rather nice to sort of be able to draw from a figure that is just a basic pose, to turn it into some kind of character. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'd like to ask you if you could give it a thumbs up. It's very encouraging. And also, if you wouldn't mind replying in some way, write a comment and say what you would like me to draw for you. I'll be putting a lot of videos up on this and various other subjects. So please subscribe and please make a comment. I'd really appreciate that.